Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President, Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, got a lot to get into. Here we are at the end of the summer. Let me jump right in because I've got a lot on the paper in front of me I need to let you know about. Coming up tonight, which time you see this will be Tuesday the 25th of August, we have the Jacksonville dinner and meeting. On the 26th, we have the Pensacola Meet and Eat. That's out with Bob Burgos out in Pensacola. So all the folks out in that area, that's gather up. We're rounding up events out there. So check out, go see Bob, Pensacola Meet and Eat, RSVP on our website. Let us know if you're coming. Saturday the 29th, Bradenton Breakfast at Skillet's. I'll be there. And then on the 5th, Sarasota, Cars and Coffee. We'll be up in Sarasota at the BMW of Sarasota. And then let me jump over to non-FSC events covering the same dates. August the 29th is the Panama City Beach Cars and Coffee. That's Saturday the 29th. September the 5th is the September Southwood Cars and Coffee up in Tallahassee. Gainesville Cars and Coffee at Tioga Town Center. That's with Mary Beth. On the 12th, we have the Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane. That's at the Avenues Mall. That's Keble, Gary, Al, and the group there. Big Cars and Coffee there in Jacksonville. Check them out. On let me see what else I have here. October the 3rd is we return to Autocross Fort Myers at the Gulf Coast Autocross in Fort Myers. Come on out and check it out if you've never been. 2-day event. Bunch of practice drives on Saturday. Very low cost. And then run for competition on Sunday. You can go 1 day, you can go 2 days. Check them out. And then Saturday, October the 3rd, let's see. Saturday the 12th is the autocross. Then it start back on a regular schedule on October the 3rd. Let me jump down to October the 2nd, October the 16th is the 27th Lake Mirror Classic. That's in Lakeland, Florida, right downtown, right around the university campus there, the big lake. An amazing car show. So if you're going to be in town on the 16th of October, check them out, Lake Mirror Classic. On the 24th, out at Sebring at the track is the October PCA Street Survival. So if you're into that, you know some folks from age 16 to 19, 16 to 20, don't quote me on that, and want some amazing driving instructions, check out the Street Survival Sebring. That's on October the 24th. You'll see that under the non-FSCA events. And then the BMW CCA events, October the 2nd is the, we're having a rally. This is in Puerto Rico. If you want to travel down, I think they're going to rent cars and do the rally. This is brand new to me. Saw it just first the other day. It's on our calendar. Check it out. October the 2nd, the Ponce Rally in Puerto Rico. We have a chapter there. CCA has a chapter there, so check it out. And then again on the 24th. November the 7th is the annual Fort DeSoto picnic. And I think we're coming, this is the 5th annual. So Gene and Al, they're taking care of us on that. I know a lot of people pitch in and help out, just a tons of folks and do that. So we'll see that. If you're part of the Mountain Drive, you'll be receiving an email tonight or in the morning. This is Tuesday, so you may have already received it with some feedback information. I need that back real quick. We're finalizing that. And then final agenda will be out September the 4th, Sunday, September the 4th. We leave here on the 7th of September, which is a Wednesday. And then other folks will be leaving on Thursday. Some folks will be leaving on Tuesday. So different rollouts for different ways, but we all meet up in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. New roads this year, new trails to go explore, new curvy roads. Not a lot of people in our way. So that's what we're looking for. Until then, I try to get all this in a short period of time. I hope you appreciate that. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Bye now.